are going on a formal shoot. So here we'll come to know what all your HODs and what all your teachers think about you. So let's go. Any memorable incidents about this batch that you would like to share?
Yes, we had been to CST station to observe the signaling system which has been there for the Central Railway. We were visiting various departments in the CST, the head office. At one point of time, we were supposed to take the left turn. I was accompanying with some students. One group, they took the right turn and they landed up on the platform. And unfortunately, the TC caught them. All of them were from the western side, so they have the ticket on the western side up to Churchgate. And on the CST central side, they didn't have the tickets. Okay. Then now you can imagine the tension on the situation, the tension on their faces, and how they react on this. So
the most memorable for me would be, of course, the lecture, जो पहला lecture था.
हाँ, their first lecture था.
Yeah. And after teaching them for an hour, I came back. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कब्रिस्तान से walk करके वापस आया because कहीं से कुछ आवाज नहीं आई. No one responded.
Can you just run us through the achievements of this batch?
Achievements, I can say that they were good in their projects, whatever projects they have developed, and they have participated in more of the technical events also outside the college, and good placements.
Achievements, I will say that first time we have started with the students chapter, the student society, and the very first society we formed is international society IEEE, and that's a very big achievement in our college. So it's really happened because of the efforts taken by the final year students.
You all reached final year, no? That itself is a very good
achievement. First of all, this final year students have participated. 2-3 groups have participated in national level competitions. Out of this, one project is selected in first 10 projects. Okay? Top 10 projects. And the second achievement that one group has published the paper in international conference that is held in.
Achievements of this batch, particularly for this particular batch, they have cleared that virtual round of Supra, and they have entered in the final round, that is for manufacturing, and then they will be going and participating in the final round of the Supra. That is the biggest achievement of this particular batch.
What are your college memories that come alive when you see them?
When I see this student, normally I will think about most of the time I will spend hours in the canteen. So canteen like
project sessions,
bunking
of lectures, going to resorts,
Kelva Beach.
Yeah, copying assignments,
bunking the lectures.
Yeah, when I started my lecturing, I always used to say that those who are not interested can sleep and rest of them can listen, right? So I also follow the same thing.
I remember moving around with friends, going to the canteen. Me and Jalen, we are from same class. We are classmates. So we did not find any similarity with what these people did and what we did.
She was the first bench.
And she was the last bench.
As a student, taught you anything notable?
Patience.
As a team management.
Of course. Because without that, that workshop was not possible.
They are working in a team. It's very nice management.
As well as they are handling the pressure, patience,
and maintaining results also.
Tom and Jerry of this batch.
I feel that I was the Tom and all the students were my Jerry.
I think it's Jim and Samruddhi.
Sharan and Ethan.
I think Shivam and Govind. They are also fighting.
Samuel Varghese and Abhishek Yadav. Always they sit on the back benches and some cat fights and all always happen between them. Also, next pair is Sherwin and Richard. They always means on any of a particular topic there is a conflict between them. There is a conflict. They won't keep quiet even while the lecture is going on.
Philip and Sanket Patil.
they have some or the other thing going on most of the times.
And any of your favorite students?
I cannot name anybody as my favorite student, but I can say all the students are my favorite. But most probably my project groups.
All students are good, but the thing is, one student, Pankaj Shukla, is very naughty, but has scored very good in DWM. We are not expecting, but he got very good marks. Appreciating for that.
Okay, so that's really nice.
Ankit Singh.
And why?
He's naughty.
Okay. So ma'am, as this batch is going away, so what was the speciality of this batch that you have noted?
They are more confident than any of the previous batches.
जो भी करेंगे सोच समझ के करेंगे और करना है तो करेंगे बस खत्म बात.
The one thing is good in between them, that is they are always in the groups, small groups.
So that
That is a good for civil engineer. When they are working in a group, it will be beneficial for them and also for others also.
Regarding the specialty about this batch, they will conduct many workshops within one academic year. That is the most.
They have the brilliance, but outwardly they are very naughty.
Specialty in the sense, I have observed there are many motivators in this batch.
Yes.
I have found that many students they compel others to do something.
To work harder.
Work harder. Okay, or study harder.
Yeah.
Okay, but I found there are many students who they make others to do the work and they motivate others and get the work done.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not only few students, but I found a number of students who are they have that capability to get work done from the others. They are good motivators.
And if you want to define this batch in a single word, and that word would be?
Compound.
Shamshan. Yeah.
School going kids.
School going kids. Okay. Dusra.
Life after death.
Mischievous.
Awesome.
Hardworking people.
I can say it as Masti wala batch.
This batch cannot be defined in one word. Both the classes are exactly opposite. B class the most naughtiest, A class comparatively quiet.
But still they are good.
Yes.
I can say this batch is extremist. Means whenever they decide to do anything, it's like extremists. They are the extremists actually. Means if they decide to bunk the lecture, they will bunk it. Anyways, if they decide to not to write anything, they won't write anything. Means whatever they do, they will do it unitedly. So that is the point.
Unite.
What advice would you like to give to them?
Believe in yourself and you can do whatever you want to do.
Anything else you would like to say to them?
I'll just wish them all the best for their future and may God bless them.
That's very nice. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Now they are ready to fly in sky. They can sky, means they can fly anywhere in the sky, but fly in the proper direction, the proper path. So that proper path is nothing but their aim. Because in our civil engineering there are different sub-branches. So choosing that particular branch, that student can grow properly, also they can enjoy their life means properly.
Start from where you are with what you have and never be satisfied. Just go ahead. All the best.
World is so big, you will be at the top.
Dream transformed into thoughts and thoughts transformed into actions. So always dream, okay, then only you will become successful in your life. Okay, try to achieve it. That's it.
एक शेर बताता हूँ. नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं. नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं. कश्ती बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशा को बदलो, किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं.
There is no alternative for the hard work. If you do the hard work, success is there always with you.
All the best.